Welcome, Milano family, to another wonderful episode of the Milano Cooking Show. What are we cooking today? We are making my mom's famous tamale casserole or tamale pie. It's delicious. It's yummy. Live it, love it. Family, friends, it's going to be a winner. So stay tuned and watch the recipe. See the ingredients down below. You're going to love it, I swear. Watch this. All right, so Milano family, you know those dishes that you remember as a child, and they were kind of a staple dish that you have, you know, once every couple of weeks or definitely once a month. It's this one. It's my mom's tamale casserole. There's no tamales in it. Why is it called that? I don't know. It's only with ground beef, onion, noodles, cheese. Actually, I usually put corn and the black olives. We're just gonna compromise. So I have like a little mixture of beans, carrots, and corn, a little tomato sauce, a little water, bada bing, bada boom. I've got the water boiling. We're gonna take a pasta, any type of pasta is fine, boil it for about 10 to 12 minutes with a little bit of salt, and we'll be right back. So you're gonna start off with any sort of pasta. I'm doing a rigatoni. A lot of times my mom would use the elbow macaroni, so it would make it a little smaller, but you know what? This is what we have. This is what we're gonna use. So we're gonna pop this in. I'm not gonna use, oopsie. I'm not gonna use the whole box, I don't think. No. Let's go for almost. We're gonna boil it for about 10 or so minutes. Once that's off, we're gonna start to brown the beef. We're gonna put some onions in it. Okay, and what's this? Okay, so we've got the pasta boiling. It's looking real good here. It's a thicker sort of a rigatoni, so I did it a little bit longer, probably about 12, 13 minutes, but still keep it a little bit al dente. I'm gonna now go and drain this, and we'll be right back. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna put just a little bit of oil, a little olive oil. We're gonna pop in some chopped onions. We're gonna get those going just a bit. So we're just going to brown the onions a little bit. We're going to take the ground beef. We're gonna brown that as well. You know, putting these little easy recipes together that you can whip up and they're good for you. There's no preservatives in them. You know, let's try and take care of ourselves and the kids and our family. So I'm going a little low on the garlic, but I just want a little bit in there just for a little something, a little flavor, a little bump. So we're gonna pop that in there. Onions that are sizzling away. I love the smell of onions. Take our ground beef, we're gonna pop that in. Let's break it up. We're gonna put a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's mix this up. You would not believe how easy this is. So all we're going to do is brown it. Then we've got the pasta in the colander. We're going to put everything in a pan. We're going to mix it all up, put a heck of a lot of cheese, and we're just going to pop it in the oven. So make sure that you're browning everything long enough. Let's let it rest just a little bit. Alrighty, then we are going to let that ride. We're going to take this pan, disposable, love it. We're going to take our pasta. We're going to just roll it in here. And again, we used, you know, almost a full box, not quite. We're going to take, while that's cooking, these are just vegetables, so it's a little, some carrots, some corn, some beans, some peas. The recipe calls for just corn, but you know what? Let's get some more veggies in the bod. We're just gonna mix this up. Let's check on the meat. We're getting there. Once we've mixed everything together, we're just gonna pop it in the oven, 350, about 25 minutes or so. Fabulous. Let's put just a little bit of a hot sauce, just a little, just to give it a little kick. We're going to, I'm going to start to mix this. I'm going to do 1 little can of tomato sauce. And we're going to need some water, so I'm going to mix it. And here, 1 cup of water. And I'm just going to mix that up. Put a little cheese in here as well, while the meat is still cooking. You see it's looking interesting. Yes, it does. See how we're doing with our meat. All right, so we did a little prep work with the pasta and the canned veggies. Put a little bit of cheese, put a little sriracha. Oh, okay, let's look at the meat. Ooh, hear that sizzle? Make sure everything is baked thoroughly. Okay, let's add a little bit more cheese over this way. I'm going to mix it on up. We're almost going to be putting the meat inside the baking dish. Then we'll mix it up again. And then, look at that, looking lovely. And then we're going to top it off with more cheese. So, ooh, look at that. We're going to mix this now in. We're going to pop it in the oven 350, about 20-25 minutes. So we will see you in a minute. All right, so we had the tamale casserole, tamale pie, in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. I forgot to mention too, I like to put foil over it in the beginning, and then I take it off the last 5-6 minutes or so. So let's take it out. I still have my Christmas mitts. Oh, yes. This is looking fabulous. Look at this. Right? Alrighty, so what we're going to do, we're just going to top it off with a little parm. A little Parmesan. We're going to take our little plate. We're going to, oh, this is looking luscious. Oh. Wow. Put a little bread with a little butter. A little butter. Like a little fresh bread. And look at this. Nice. All right, Milano family. So this is just yet again another fabulous Milano recipe. A super easy one that's for during the week. And you can also add different things. Black olives, green olives, different vegetables. You can pop it on and enjoy. You're going to love it. And the recipe is down below. But put your input in as well. But let me just take a taste. So, good. Enjoy it, and we will see you in the showroom or in the next episode of the Milano Cooking Show. See you soon.